Sun on the rug by the window. He takes the couch, he takes the floor. Little nose boobs, whiskers tangle, chasing dust in the living room glow. You meant to be apart, so they say, but you curl up heart to heart every day. Paws on the same cage, curl up in the same place. Dark jeans, cat schemes, sharing the same space. Two little heartbeats, breathing the same air. Different kind of heartbeat, same kind of care. Forever friends, right here at home. He drops a story by your